Today we'll be making a folding peacock at home. This is something that your kids will really love and they'll have fun with it. So what we need to make this folding peacock at home: a piece of cardboard which will convert into a book like this, folded in the center, some newspaper, some white paper, additional white paper that you might have at home, a scissors, glue, Fevicol I'm using, tape, painting colors and brush, and a few sketch pens and pencil. So let's get started and see how to make this folding peacock. So this cardboard I'll take and I'll wrap it in the newspaper to make the cover for the peacock. So what I need to use for this is the sellotape and the scissors. Your cover of the book is ready. You might use any other cover as well, a colored paper or a brown paper, to cover the book from outside as you may feel like using. So now after this is ready, we'll take a plain paper which is exactly the same size of this cardboard, and we will cover the inside like this to make it look smooth. So what we will do for this is we'll take the glue and we will apply the glue on the corners. Base is ready. You see very well the base is perfectly ready now to use, and this is going to be the base for the peacock. So we'll just take some green color. Green color is done. Now what we have to do is we have to make a peacock. So let this green color dry. We can also use a glaze paper in the place of a white sheet which we have to color later. So we'll now take a white color square sheet, and this square sheet we will fold into half like this. So we'll make a triangle. I'll just keep this at a side to let it dry. Now this white sheet we'll fold in the center like this, and then we will further fold it like this. Of the peacock is ready. Now since the peacock is blue in color, I'll just paint this thing blue. Peacock has been painted. Now we'll let it dry as well in a corner, and we will now make the other body parts for the peacock. For the other body parts, what we need to do is we need to take another sheet of paper. We need to now make the wings of peacock, the tail which it uses to dance. So we will take the white sheet like this, and we'll have to paint it green before we do anything. Now we have 2 sheets of green paper ready. We have our peacock which is blue in color, and we've also taken a small yellow paper to make the head of the peacock. So now let's get started. On the green color paper, first we'll make small circles like this with a blue sketch pen. We we will have to make random such circles. Peacock is ready. We'll do the similar thing on the other green paper as well, and after doing that we will take this green paper and we will start folding it like this. You must have made fans out of paper. It's exactly the same thing. We'll have to make a fan out of the paper like this. A fan is absolutely ready. Now this fan will be used for the peacock's tail like this. Isn't it looking beautiful? We'll do the similar thing to the other green paper as well. So now the two fans are ready with green color. So what we have to do next is we have to take the peacock. The body is now dry, and we have to join these two wings to the peacock. So we'll take the glue again, the Fevicol, and we will apply the Fevicol to one side of this fan like this. And we'll spread it out properly with the finger, and we'll just paste it like this here. So your one of the wings has been pasted properly. Now for the other wing. Now you have to make sure that the other wing is pasted exactly on top of this wing. So on the other wing also we will apply some glue like this. And then we will paste it exactly on top of this wing. There. So they will become one seamless wing and they will spread out like this. Doesn't it look beautiful? The base that we prepared earlier with the cardboard, and we will place the peacock in the center. We place it like this, right? And we will apply the glue onto the wing like this. Again, spread it out with the finger. We will paste it just like this. On the other end also I'll apply some glue, and the other end I'll just close the book to. There you go. That's how the peacock opens, and it looks almost ready. Now we have to give some final touches to the peacock. So for the final touches, what we need to do is we need to take the small yellow paper that we cut out, the small yellow paper, and this yellow paper also we'll make a small fan out of it. There, my tiny fan is ready. So this tiny fan, I'll just take some glue and I'll apply the glue at the bottom of this fan on both sides. So a little bit on this side and a little bit on the other side, and I'll place it in the center of the peacock's head like this, and then open it a bit. There you go. So peacock looks really nice. Now we'll make the peacock's eyes with a marker. So I've got a black marker. I'll just make peacock's eyes here. Peacock's eyes are also ready. Now we are almost done. Peacock looks really nice. You can see the final touches. You can beautify the whole project by making some grass marks on the green like this. So the whole project looks complete now. This is the folding peacock. You fold it into a book. This is a book, and Then you open it and you can keep it on the table. You can gift it to any one of your friends, you can gift it to any one of your relatives, and they will simply love it. It can become a very good card as well for somebody's birthday, and they'll always remember it because you have made it with all your love.